well, hello. We have a lesson today about multiplying fractions, and it involves Mountain Dew. Just little heads up: Mountain Dew used to be Mr. Johnson's favorite soda. That's why he had a lot of cavities. Yeah, and stuff rots your teeth. Um, little known fact: there is a thing called Mountain Dew mouth that dentists talk about, where apparently Mountain Dew's like whatever chemicals make up Mountain Dew is like the worst combination of chemicals for people's teeth. So, um, yeah, dentists coined the phrase Mountain Dew mouth. I guess that just means like a mouthful of rotten teeth. Anyway, do the do. 3-act task. We're going to do a 3-act task. But before we do a 3-act task, we are going to do a warm up. So, without answering, tell me all you can about the following expression: 4/5 times 2 wholes. All right, so um, tell me what you can about it. Use the stems. Make sure everybody at your table uses a stem. Think about how much 4/5 is. Think about how much 2 groups of 4/5 might be, and see, how close you can get without doing the math. All right, welcome back. Okay, so remember when I suggested a long time ago drawing fractions, we said it's a really bad idea to draw odd fractions with circles. Well, guess what? I'm going to try, and it's going to be terrible, but we're going to still try. Okay, so, oh man, one. Oh, wait a minute. What if I make it look like a star, kind of? There we go. There's fifths. Yeah. Terrible, terrible fifths. But okay, so there's fifths. Now, if I was going to shade, remember, it's really hard to draw odd fractions because you can't cut in half. There we go. There's 4/5. All right, so we have a 4/5. Now, just imagine that we have 2 of those, and that can help you figure out, you know, is our answer going to be more than 1 whole? Absolutely, because we already have almost 1 whole, but we have 4/5 twice, so it's not going to be enough to be 2 wholes. So our answer will be less than 2 wholes. So our answer will be somewhere between, I would say, to be even closer, somewhere between 1.5 and 2 wholes, because it's not enough to be 2 wholes, because it's going to be 8/5, not 10/5. 10/5 would be 2 wholes. All right, so I just kind of did the problem. Oops. But you know what I'm talking about. Okay, so we have another part of the warm up. Yeah, it's a multi-part warm up, not in 3 steps, but here we go. Without answering, let me clear my picture because that's probably not helpful. Boo 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 blap. All right, without answering, tell me all you can about the following expression: 1/6 times 4. Right. So, and remember, if you want to think about the fact that the multiplication sign also means the word of. So that might help you think about how to use the stems if you were thinking about 1/6 of the number 4, 1/6 of 4 wholes. So go ahead, let everybody at your table use a stem. Okay, welcome back. 1/6 of 4. Really, this is gonna be less, or yeah, it's gonna be less than 1, right? Because 1/6 4 times would be less than 6/6. It would be 1/6 4 times. Sorry, now I'm just doing math, but that would be 4/6, right? We could simplify that to 2/3 as well. But 2/3 is less than 1, so our answer will be more than half, because 4/6 is more than 3/6. The answer will be less than 1 because we have 4/6, which is not 6/6, which would be 1. And the answer will be somewhere between half and 1 whole. 2/3 is kind of somewhere between half and a whole on a number line, right? If this was 0 and this is 1/2 and this is 1 whole, 2/3 would be, somewhere around here. 2/3. If this was 1/3, 1/3, 2/3, 3/3. All right. So when we come back, we are going to start looking at the activity. Do the do. We're going to start looking at the amount of sugar in Mountain Dew and why it makes your teeth rot. All right. See you then. Bye.